We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT to enhance your Gotham Chess experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Log in with your account or sign up if you haven't yet. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main chat interface. You can start by typing your chess-related queries in the chat box. For example, if you want to analyze a recent game you played or understand a specific opening better, just type that in clearly. For instance, you could say, "Explain the Sicilian defense," or "Help me analyze my last game where I played the Queen's Gambit." ChatGPT will provide detailed explanations or suggestions based on the latest chess strategies. If you're following Gotham Chess tutorials or streams, you can ask ChatGPT to clarify any moves or strategies you don't understand. This can be particularly helpful if you want a deeper understanding of why certain moves are recommended. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT to practice chess problems by asking it to generate scenarios or puzzles for you to solve. Remember, the more specific you are with your questions, the more tailored and useful the responses will be. This interaction can greatly enhance your learning and understanding of chess concepts as taught by Gotham Chess. Don't forget to experiment with different types of questions to maximize your use of ChatGPT's capabilities. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.